Riri NDERETI irathie na mbere bunge-ini ya bururi ya kana kambuni ya ADANI kuma bururi wa India ni gwitikirio na hitukio kwambatiria gikiro gia kiharo kinene kia ndege kia JKIA. Minista munene MUSALIA Mudavadi nionekanite gutetera itashukia riri ria thirikari. MUSALIA augite kiharo kia JKIA kiri thutha makiria gikiringithanio na mabũrũri mangi ma Afrika na uguo no nginyagia kiharo giki kiambatirio ikiro. Akiuga kigina kiria kiunganagio kuma kuri a Kenya aria matumaga mbeca guku bũrũri-ini kuma mabũrũri-ini ma nanja nikio kingirahuthika unyitaniri na kambuni cia andu kiumbe.
The debate we are having around how to develop Jomo Kenyatta Airport and expand it, this could be a candidate where we can mobilize diaspora resources to partner with other private sector resources and actually fund this piece of infrastructure. But the fact is that we now must invest in a new airport.
MUSALIA urio kwaragia hindi ya kuruguria mubango wa miaka 5 hari gutangikira na kugitira a Kenya aria marutaga mawira nja wa bururi augite no nginyagia a Kenya marumbuyo na ugitiri wao ugacirithio ona mari mabũrũri-ini mogeni kuona makoretwo makinyita itemi inene hari ukuria wa bururi.
Enhance diaspora trust and confidence by championing their welfare and protecting their rights. Enhance the diaspora contribution to GDP growth through higher remittances. Spearhead initiatives aimed at positioning Kenya as a global leader in skilled labor export. Deepen collaboration and strategic partnerships with the diaspora, and also strengthen the policy, legal, and institutional framework underpinning diaspora affairs.
Ihinda-inĩ riu MUSALIA nioritie mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ kia Afrika kunyitanira na bũrũri wa Kenya niguo marihi ma mbeca iria andu matinagio magituma mbeca mabũrũri-inĩ mao magoithio kuona makoretwo mari iguru ona thengia wa kuria magoithio.
The focus is on the need to limit the cost of remittance to 3% of the value of the money transfer in line with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal Number 10.
Na riri namba ya a Kenya aria marathie mawira mabũrũri-ini ma nanja ithiite na mbere na kwambatira. MUSALIA augite kuhitukira mubango uyu uruguritio Kenya iratanya kunganagia kigina gia ciringi tiririoni 1 hari o mwaka.
Remittances grew to USD 2.8 billion from January to July 2024. That is just the first 6 months of this year, compared to 2.4 billion during a similar period in 2023.
Labor migrants, properly speaking, or persons seeking diaspora jobs, that number has grown by 180,000 in the last 2 years.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni Jetagwo Wagoi wa Muiruri.